right, guys, I'm now in the shop. Let's see. Nice little load, but got room for some more. Now I was told to clean up this area, so I gotta get all the junk, and I'm just gonna simply load it in some of these dead empty spots. Now I'm pretty loaded down, guys. You can see, not on the flat. I don't think my little red Nissan can withstand all of this. All right, hit me. Where you at, Dart? Dart, sorry, dog. But one thing you don't see in here, guys, you don't see a 6.4 supercharger. So I think I've got grilled enough about doing that. So you will not see a supercharger in here headed to the scrapyard. But you do see Pentastar, another Pentastar, radiators and stuff like that, engine wise, differential. Guys, I wanted to show you guys, I might want to hang on to this. I want to show you guys the trick or what they're using. But see, it doesn't matter if you're not doing it on the car. I think I'm gonna keep one of these heads, cause see, I was gonna keep this head and go over with my inspiring mechanics, my youth mechanics, the procedure that we used to do. Now, mind you, we don't do this anymore. Not that we don't do it, but it's not cost efficient to do it anymore. In other words, the heads are cheaper now, so a lot of cats are just buying cylinder heads. But yes, there was a time I got engine tubes in my toolbox I haven't used in over a decade. Yes, guys, there was time we would take the valve springs off, replace valve stem seals, and do a valve job. What I call a valve job may not be the official word for it, but let's say if I had a burnt valve and I don't want to send the head out, I would merely take these valves out. There's no point in cleaning them and trying to reseat them because they burnt. So I would go in with new valves, but I would lap them in. So I want to show you guys that procedure. Even though you may not, who knows? I mean, you may have a project car you want to do, but at least you will have, guys, everything you need to experience doing at least one time. Okay, yes, this can go. My friends here, I need some gloves, but this is all aluminum, guys. So I really, yeah, it looked like a nice good spot for that. All right, that differential, I'm gonna go on. I was gonna tear it down, but I ran out of time, guys. I don't have time to not tear it down, and I just want to see. A differential is a differential is a differential. But okay, yes, this can go, guys. These are fooling people left and right, guys. They can come off looking normal, like you don't see any leaks, but they could be restricted. Like half of this section could be restricted. I mean, it's pretty simple. If you got temperature difference between the inlet and the outlet hose, yes, then there's some restriction. But oh man, these are beating techs up left and right, man. One side of the dash getting hot, the other side is not, and it's not dual climate change setup. So it's real funny funky how tricky it has become to diagnose heater core. Well, anyway, that's junk. CVT. Y'all know CVT is big belt-driven transmission. All right, I tore this CVT down a long time ago. Still got the footage on a disk drive somewhere. I haven't had time to edit it, but I have no need for this. This going in the back. Of course, that head, I'm gonna put that head on. That's the PT Cruiser head that my buddy had to replace. That was a self-inflicting wound, guys, by us. That's right, by us. I'm not ashamed. Yes, it overheated on us, so we took responsibility. Now, nobody was out of any money. We was just out of time because we had to do the labor. I had a head. Watch this video. Y'all remember I had to go to my truck, get one of my spare PT Cruiser heads that I had. And I had to use it on a customer car. It happens, guys. It happens. You're not gonna. Why is this up here? You're not gonna. Everything's not gonna go right all the time. That's gonna be. I see a PT Cruiser wheel and some radiators. Ooh, this looks like something that could be on the truck too. Nice good chunk of aluminum. All right, watch out. The guy's still gonna try to put this in the steel aluminum section. Okay, this is, yeah, that's where that's going. But other than that, just my buddy just came over, so he might help me grab this Yes, this torque converter's junk. Why am I keeping this? These transmission parts is junk. Alright, ooh, that's a valve body over there for a nag. I had some plans for that. It just ain't enough time in the day, guys. There's a lot of stuff I want to do. Video wise, video purposes. I was going to recondition this valve body, take it apart and show you the plate. This is a nag 545 transmission valve body. Okay, speed sensors are typically inside this little plate. You have to split the valve body apart. And there's a plate that generates the signals or generate the speed signals of various gears, and that information goes to the computer, and that's where all the calculation goes on it. But I ain't got time to do that. It's just not enough time in the day. So do I have room for those radiators? That wheel, I'm gonna have to take the tire off that wheel to get the bolt, because they will penalize you just cause the wheel on it. No room for radiators. Can stack up there. I just need a piece of rope to strap all the way over. So what y'all think, guys? 200 maybe. I got 160 the last time, and it was a little less than this. So I say at least in the 200, guys. What y'all think? What do y'all think? Do I hear 2? Do I hear 3? I heard. Was that? Did you hear me? What'd you say? 300? Do I hear 3? Do I hear 3? Do I have 4? Do I hear 4? Do I hear 4? I don't hear anybody saying 4. Okay, so we're gonna let's root for 2.5, guys. How about that? Nice, good, even number. All right. So I need both of my hands. I can't hold this camera and do this. So like I say, the plan is I'm gonna put this on here, grab that head. I wanted to keep one of these heads to show y'all the stud removal tool. This is a Hemi head. Show y'all the stud removal tool in action. I'll break a stud and put it in there just to show y'all. But it's gonna be different if you're doing it on the car anyway. So I don't know what you will learn out of that. So I guess I gotta wait till the next one I get on the car. All right, hold tight, guys. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. I gotta get this out of here, guys. They close right now, so I'm gonna try to go tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday, but they close early on Saturday, so I'm gonna try to get out there before 3 o'clock. Okay. Yes, this truck is nothing more than a scrap truck. As you can see, checking the lights, all the warning lights was on earlier, but I have no interest in fixing that stuff, guys. It's a scrap junk truck. Okay, I do not proceed with day-to-day life in this truck. So I'm gonna park this thing, man. What am I talking? I'm just talking smack right now. In fact, I'm gonna park it right next to my other junk truck, which I have yet to get a tire for. Okay, I have yet to get online. It's very simple, guys. Get on Walmart.com and order a tire like I had to do the last time, but I just haven't done it. I don't know, man. I got to get my priorities together. Look at my sweet baby. 1993 Nissan truck. I bought it in 94. Semi brand new. Look at that tire. It ain't wore out, guys. It's just freaking dry rotted. Okay, and look at all the money on the back. Okay, and it's drivable. All I got to do, every time I get ready to drive it and do a scrap run, I will essentially call Progressive, my insurance company. Say, yo, turn my insurance on for 1 day. I don't keep insurance on it. And it's old enough to not need emissions every year. It's a 93, so every time I got to turn it on, I call and turn the insurance on. Every time I'm done, at least until the next month. That's no sense to me paying a monthly insurance rate on this vehicle when, holy crap, it's dry rotted. Not wore out at all. But I got to get some air in. I got to get another tire. Runs and pearls like a kitten, guys. Nissan hang around forever. I don't even think I got 100,000 miles on this truck. And and I've had it since '93. So yeah, I gotta at least fire it up every now and then. This is nothing but space consuming stuff here, guys. This is nowhere near the amount of money in my great truck, in my Dakota. Yeah, this is aluminum. I might get a little bit more because these radiators and those wheels are aluminum, but this is where my bread at. So it'd be nice if I can do both of them in the same day, huh? Now, I don't even keep insurance on this. In fact, when I go tomorrow, I need to call them early in the morning. Progressive. Yo, what up? It's JT. Turn my liability back on for a hot second. When I get back, shut it off. All right. Yeah, guys, that's not illegal. I mean, I need insurance for the time period I'm driving it. All right. That look like some bread there, guys. Look at that. So I'm done, guys. I hate I didn't get to go along as planned with y'all. Oh man, one day it's not enough time in the day, guys. Look, they park right beside each other. All right, man, I'm done. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Now see y'all in the next video.